infinity and beyond!
Extreme Racing Team in the Iron Outlaw. Look at the air right off the bat. Oh, he's broke the wheel. Oh, no. Right front brakes on the landing.
Right there on that, he came out big. Look at that. The steering wheel.
He is not a happy camper as you would expect.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Did I win?
He's got horsepower.
Well, let's go down to Kate and get more from Scott Hartzell.
Your RI wasn't working. You must have been a little bit nervous getting into the track.
I have got a whole new attitude this year. I'm not going to let anything bother me. You, him, all the people, I'm getting the job done.
Holy shit!
I'll steal it! No one will ever know!
No! What the hell? Get in my belly! No.